Look at this photo, it's obviously very old, there are scratches across the surface, it's faded and a lot of the detail is missing. But what happens if I run it through an AI image enhancer? Well, it becomes a lot clearer and nicer. And today I'm going to be showing you how you can restore the detail in your old photos and images to modern day standards utilizing an AI image enhancer called Aiarty. So without further ado, let's jump into it. So once I'm logged in, you're going to see this screen, and this is Aiarty image enhancer, and it basically gives you a bunch of different AI models for enhancing and upscaling your images. So first things first, at the bottom it's got some templates there, but I'm going to add my photos. So I'm going to select the plus in the bottom left hand corner, open up the folder and add all 6 images into Aiarty. And one useful thing to note here is that once you've downloaded these models, you can then work on the images and upscale them without being connected to the internet. So you're essentially doing it locally, which is a fantastic feature. But let's start off with the old school family photo, because I think this is one of the hardest tests. You've got a few scratches, you've got fading, and you've got a bit of detail missing from the faces. So what I'm going to do is start off on the right hand side by selecting my model. I'm going to utilize more detail GAN V3. And here we can see all of the different AI models that are involved. Each one has its own properties. For example, this one gets more detail, more clarity, and more sharpness. It deblurs it, better skin and hair. There's other ones that smooth out certain images, and there's others that are used for real photo restoration. For example, better fidelity, more clarity, and restore original deblur plus denoise, designed for high quality images and photos. So there's lots of great models, and at the bottom you can see your upscaling level. So you can upscale images to increase the quality without changing the size of the original image. But for now, like I said, I'm going to use more detail GAN 3. The upscale level is going to be ×2, and then I'm going to adjust the strength to be about 0.66. And on the face restoration, this is exactly what I'm after. I would like face restoration. I'm going to tick that right now. It's going to add in the model, because of a portrait, of a client, of a face, you always want that to be the most restored, because that's where the emotion's captured. So I'm going to tick face restoration there as well. There's a slider in the middle of the screen that I can adjust to see the difference of my photo before and after. And take a look at those faces. As this slider goes across, the restoration is fantastic, and you can just see it, the clarity in those faces. And I've got it on strength 66 right now. If I was to turn this all the way up to strength 90, it's going to once again regenerate that image and give me a maximum clarity image. Now for me, I think I prefer a slightly bit of an organic look at 0.66. Now there's a small scratch in the top left hand corner, so if I go down on the right hand side, scroll down, there's a button called AI Eraser. I'm going to select that, tick enabled, and then I'm going to edit the mask. So I'm going to come up to this scratch, highlight it like that, one over here, one over here, one over here, select apply. And then just like that, the scratches are now gone. Absolutely fantastic. And my lovely family photo is now ready to be exported, and boy does that look good. So I select single export at the bottom, and then once again the output is automatically there. Next up, let's say there's a lovely photo like this of some astronauts getting ready to head to space or coming out of space. It's the same thing, except this time I'm going to use a slightly different model. Now for me here, I want to increase the detail of the background and just slightly on the faces, just to increase a little bit of clarity there. So I'm going to essentially go over to the right hand side. I'm going to select my model on the right. I'm going to select more detail GAN V3. And this time I'm going to upscale it ×4 just to increase a little bit of detail. It's going to apply and get the models. And with that upscale in place, you can already see some of that difference between the before and the after. It's so much clearer. And it's the same for the background as well. You can see the difference between the before on his suit and the after. It looks so much better. Let's move on to another one, the vintage car. And just instantly take a look at the difference between the before and the after. It is night and day different, and that is largely thanks to the more detailed GAN V3 and ×4 upscaling. I do not need to adjust this from this point here. I'm super happy with that upscaling. It's done in a flash, and I would simply export it. Let's go on to a different one. I'm gonna head over to the likes of the Tokyo night skyline. Now here is quite interesting, because I'm not going to use that model I previously talked about. This is now a real photo that I'd really like to adjust and make that feel real and earthy. And so one of the AI models on the right hand side is going to be Real Photo V3. Now this is great for restoring the real details of the photo. It'll be great when I then blow up the photo even bigger, because it won't lose any quality, and all those minute things of clarity that you want in your photo are going to now be restored. And once again, thank you to Aiarty Image Enhancer for sponsoring today's video. There'll be a link down in the description below where you can download it for yourself and trial it out. You also get a 1-week free trial. I'm going to make the upscale mode ×2. It's going to mean that when we blow up the print, it's going to be even better. If I was looking to print this out and enhance it, it's already quite a big image. And honestly, I'm pretty curious to see if this actually enhances the quality of the image, because it's already got a lot of detail within. So can it get better? Well, let's find out in a second. So here it is, the grand reveal. Can Aiarty Image Enhancer improve the quality of a Tokyo night skyline? Look at the detail it brings to that image. I'm exceptionally impressed. Look at the building now as I go through with the slider, just how much more clarity it sweeps across the entire image. That is fantastic, and especially if you're looking to print something out, this will do it wonders. So that's another one off the list. I would export that via the single export, happy days, and it goes into my output folder. Now, next up, I want to take a look at an image where you might want to remove an unwanted person. So we can already see the quality increase, but if I scroll down on the right-hand side again and select the AI eraser, I'm going to select enabled, I'm going to edit the mask, and this time I'm going to highlight the entirety of this lady here who's just in the way of the family photo. This happens a lot when I'm shooting photography out on the street. I can then select apply. It's going to recognize her and hopefully remove her just like that. And she has gone from the photo. You wouldn't even notice that she was there in the first place. So again, it's able to help improve the photo. And now I shoot a lot of portrait photography, and sometimes a lot of older photos will have the film aesthetic. Now, you might want to modernize that photo if, for example, it's a photo from many, many years ago. Well, we're going to change the model right here and get rid of the grain. So if I select this, we can already see that the grain goes away and the quality is fantastic. I'm going to select the upscale mode to be 8K, so really, really high upscale mode, giving me the best quality image and resolution. And now if I zoom out, that photo has got exceptionally high resolution, it's exceptionally clear. So a very noisy portrait and a bit of lower lighting has been fixed and made and brought back to a standard which I'm happy with in the modern day and can be used for any, for example, LinkedIn photo or social media or anything of the sorts. Now on the right hand side, I can also crop it if I would like to as well. So I can select crop, enabled, adjust the crop, bring it in so she's a bit more front facing. You'll now see the new image nice and cropped for a headshot. There's also stuff like color, so you can adjust the color and the temperature, and then you can also get a bit more exposure if you would like. And then when you go on the after, you'll see exactly how it looks, and it gives this lovely washed green feel to it. So, what's my verdict? Well, I think Aiarty works exceptionally well for delivering restoration to photos, and it's key to note that it's not always the case if you want to bolster everything to 100% and restore everything to the highest upscale level possible. You want to find the right blend and balance for your photos in order to make sure that they come out the best. The strength slider is a fantastic feature to do this, and it especially is relevant on older family photos. You have the AI eraser that allows you to remove things that aren't necessarily wanted in your images, like scratches from a film photo or the likes of people in the background of your shot. You can go into crop and then adjust the images from there, fine tune them with color balances, warms, tints, and everything like that. And processing it locally is one of the more interesting factors. As somebody myself who travels a lot, it's great because it allows me to work without always relying on having internet connection. But realistically, what is the biggest test? Well, it's how do these 3 photos look now they have been restored. So on screen, you're seeing the before and the after of my top 3 favorite restorations here today. And you can see they really do look different and a lot better now we've utilized Aiarty. The image enhancer will be linked down in the description below. You get a free 7-day trial to try it out for yourself and see how you like it. But once again, thank you very much to them for sponsoring today's video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Thank you.